Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to use or enable the Edge panel for quick access. So in this device, I already enabled the Edge panel. So at the right side, you can see a transparent white line. If you swipe inwards, let me show you. You can see this is the Edge panel. So from here, you can easily select applications. Okay, and you can edit, customize this Edge panel. So let me show you how to enable this one. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option display. Simply scroll down. Here you can see the option Edge panel. Now this Edge panel is already enabled. If you tap on this one, you can see the Edge panel. And here you can see the option panels. I tap on this one. So here we can add the different panels. Only the apps panel is added. If you tap on this one, you can add any number of application here. Okay, and here you can see the option people. You can add the contact to the Edge panel. You can add the task to the Edge panel, weather, tools, clipboard, reminder. You can customize the Edge panel. Okay, so simply in this way we can use or enable the Edge panel for quick access on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.